The case of Shanquella Robinson has left a number of individuals in shock and a family in a state of deep mourning after news spread of her autopsy report and how she lost her life tragically. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. Plus also the father is actually speaking out and a friend that was actually at the resort when the incident occurred. You don't want to miss this. Coming up next on the program. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we'll be right back.
Y'all, it don't take that long to get naked. It don't take that long to get naked, where y'all at? She told me I'm gonna keep it hot. You gonna keep it hot, what?
I'm gonna keep it hot. I bet that I don't want to wear because the street is
They, what Go said, they croup.
the one that's like mediocre is in my check-ins. I can't wear them.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. This is the place where we discuss issues of national importance, global importance, or the situations that are buzzing in the news. So the name Shanquella Robinson has been a name that has been trending on social media for the past few weeks, and not for a good reason but for a very sad reason, based on the fact that she lost her life tragically while vacationing with friends in Mexico. So right now we're just going to share with you what the family of Shanquella have to say, specifically her dad and a friend giving his account of the situation.
Same thing you heard, there's a video out there.
Yeah.
That, you know, she picked up by the neck and slammed on the ground, and once they slammed her, she didn't get back up. Did not get back up. So I guess that slam right there must have broke her neck and a spinal cord.
Villa around 326. I instantly, as soon as I go in, I go to Quilla. Quilla didn't leave my side, none of that, till the nurse came. But I got too far ahead. So Quilla was laying on the couch in the game room. The fucking villa was like a big ass mansion, no upstairs, all tile on the wall, tile on the floor, straight tile, nothing else. So it was just a big ass villa. I don't know if y'all can view it on the website. Go to Cabo Villas and look at how big this shit is and what it looked like. Well, you're gonna see. So when I got there, she was in the game room. They told me she was not feeling good, so I instantly go to her, put on her side, get a bag, and all that. So I'm sitting right next to her the whole time. I was crossing my heart. I hope that I was there the whole time in the game room, and then they was talking about cooking. So we made it to the living room. I cut on some soft music, sitting with her, rubbing her head, just chilling, waiting till the nurse came, because that's what I was informed that was happening. At first I was told that it was a male coming, and then a female showed up. So by that time, I skipped another thing. Quilla wasn't found dead. She wasn't found dead. The maids found her slumped over the toilet in her room. That's what they did find her, slumped over her toilet in her room. That's what I was told. Quilla was not dead when I got there. Yeah, boom. So it's like, okay, so when I get in there, I go in, I see Quilla. I see she chilling, I put her on her side. I go out and make that video where I'm talking about I'm here, that I Quilla get up. So I'm thinking like, damn, we got stuff to do. ATVs, a boat, dinner. I missed the chefs, I missed everything. Anyways, fuck that. So I'm like, damn, I'm thinking, Quilla, let's get up. I say that in the video. Everybody can hear it, everybody knows. Everybody that know me heard me say the shit. That was my first video when I got there, or second, because I made a video of me pulling up to the villa. But he was cutting up the guy. I tried to get the timestamp for y'all, but that's not going to work. So I guess The real FBI or whatever had to put those right timelines together. But I'm going to start with the NC beat. That faggot is so stupid and got y'all believing everything. Everything that's wrong. I was not there till the next day. I didn't see a fight. I didn't know it was a fight. I didn't know it was a video. I didn't know they did any harm, anything. I went in there and told it was alcohol poisoning, so that's what I helped her as. That's what I helped her as. I didn't leave her side. I cut on soft music. Summer Walker rubbing her head till the nurse came in. Nobody even talked about the nurse. Nobody even said a nurse came. None of this stuff. So I'm really not understanding where this story is coming from and why it's out here like this, because it's wrong. It's wrong. And for y'all to be attacking me, an innocent soul, like, I'm really innocent as fuck. I went there to enjoy my birthday. Like, to enjoy my birthday and to really just goddamn have fun. I didn't have not 1 second of fun. I didn't take one shot, didn't smoke one blunt, didn't do anything. I went straight to Quilla. She was not found dead. She was found unresponsive. Yes, unresponsive. She was unresponsive. I tried to get her to talk to me and all that, but it was none of that. There was none of that going on. Oh shit. Yeah, but other than that, I did. Oh yeah, I know y'all probably asking that. When I walked in there, I didn't really notice the knot on her head until the nurse pointed it out. I did see the bump on her lip. She did have a blood vessel bust in her eye, and that's it. But I didn't really go in there like, damn, y'all jumped her, y'all beat her ass, what's going on? Like, cause they know, man, and nobody even told me about nothing. I was blind to everything. I'm literally in there giving her my all. Like, come on, girl, we is 2,000 miles away from home. 2,000 miles away from home. Don't nobody deserve this. Damn, 51 questions. Bro, why is y'all talking about boy did y'all kill y'all friend? I wasn't there. I don't have those answers for you from Friday to 3 o'clock when I got to Cabo. I just don't have them answers. I posted my flight itinerary. When I got there, I can't make that up. I can't. I really don't know what else to do but show y'all fucking the real tickets if I could even find them when I landed and didn't land. But I could post the video, I could show the video, it's gonna show the timestamps because it's in my archive. I got there at 3-something p.m. I made my first video at 4:26. That's me outside by the pool, saying, Quilla, get up, let's go, we got stuff to do. Let's go have fun. There was no fun in that. There was no fun in that. There was nothing good coming from that, man. I went in there with my bag, put it down, went to the game room, went to the living room, stayed there. Worst time of my life. And now y'all on here trying to say I killed her. Me, the nigga that got there a day late. A day late. The nigga y'all didn't see in the video. I have 1,030,000 tattoos. Do I sound like I was in that video? Go listen to it again. Do you hear my voice in that video? Like, come on, bro. Y'all niggas is really stupid. The bitches is stupid. The old ladies, all of y'all are stupid. I don't care who's after me because I have all my timestamps. I've been real close and cordial with everybody who really means something. So everybody else, this was just to give y'all some comfort. Because I'm not doing it no more. I'm not responding to nothing else. And all the death threats, I can go with y'all and move. Everybody. I turn me to a pack. All that shit y'all was talking, y'all just talking out your ass out of hurt because y'all listening to social media. Social media. Of course, my story is going to be different because I got there a day late. I can only tell you what I know from 3:30 till Sunday when I left. That's all I can do. I really can't give nobody no other answer from Friday because they didn't tell me. I didn't go in there, sit down and make no alibi with nobody. I didn't know nothing. They didn't tell me nothing. Cross my heart and hope to die on this Bible right here. I don't know nothing. I didn't sit and make no alibi. I didn't even have time. I got there an hour later. The nurse came in the door. The nurse came in the door. Try to help Quilla, try to put some salines in her, but her energy, she didn't have no electrolytes. Her oxygen was low, so she couldn't find them. Y'all don't understand what I went through. Y'all don't understand. Y'all won't understand. So y'all keep posting my address and all that shit. Y'all have fun. Y'all have fun. Y'all know y'all hurting yourself. Y'all not hurting me. I'm not bothered by this because I know the truth. Me and God know the truth. Me getting on this internet, and I cut the comments out because I know y'all being mad, what's the word? Insensitive. So I ain't even finna go back and forth on this shit with nobody. I tried to go live with the NC Beat nigga. He swear he know the times. He been to Mexico and stuff before, so he knows how everything goes. But Instagram and everything keep timestamps. Everything is in my archive. Everything else, you're gonna have people watching my page when I go live. That's cool. But you're a loser. You're really a loser for trying to do this to me. You don't even know the full story. What else I gotta say? I really think that's it. I'm really not giving y'all too much because that's all I had to say. Like, I wasn't there. I had nothing to do with it. I didn't know about no video. I didn't know about none of that. Like, I didn't know about none of that. And I wouldn't sit here and lie to nobody. Like, they already knew not to tell me because the person that I am was not letting it happen. Everybody was fighting me right there. We all banging it out. Because what is y'all doing? 2,000 miles away from home, from family, from safety, from rules and regulations you know. Now you in a different state, putting your lives at risk and jeopardy and mine. Now I walked into something stupid. Now I'm looking like a bad guy. I'm just gonna leave it right here. I really don't have too much more to say. Y'all either don't believe me or y'all not. Run with what y'all want, screen record it, save it, watch it over, interpret it, see if I was sincere, really genuine. But I'm tired, I'm fed up, I haven't slept, I don't know. I have to look over my shoulder because I don't know who's back there. Like, this shit is stupid. It's really stupid. It's really stupid. And I'm not even gonna address the tough guys, man. It's nothing to talk about. I'm innocent. If you want to make a move off of impulse and how you feeling because of the internet, that's cool. What else? But when the truth come out, I really don't want to hear nothing from nobody. Y'all can really go on about y'all day, y'all life. We ain't gotta talk, be cool. You feel how you feel because that's the information you was given. I respect it, but I can't respect you. That's because if you knew me, you know that's not me. That's not my art. My art's so pure. I'm not computational. I would try to end everything before it gets to something like that. Come on, bro. You don't do that 2,000 miles away from your house, bro. You don't do that. You don't do that. I have the most respect for Miss Robinson, Quilla, everybody. Like, y'all welcome me with open arms. Listen, heard me out. All of that. I didn't feel like anything was a problem. I respect that, and I want you to get justice for your daughter. I want everybody to get justice. I want everybody to stop hurting. Don't nobody deserve that, especially not to die 2,000 miles away from your family. It's not fair. It's not fair, and I say it every day. I say it every day. I think about it every day. It's not, I can never forget it. Y'all won't let me forget it because y'all think I'm responsible for it. But I just don't understand why. And y'all don't have everything. Y'all don't have timestamps. I didn't sign that guest list. First of all, oh yeah, the guest list that my name is on. Go try to find my signature. Hold on, where's my ID? Matter of fact, my ID. Is my signature on here?
After 25-year-old Shanquella Robinson passed away in Mexico while vacationing last month, her friends who were with her blame it on alcohol poisoning, and everyone would have bought the story. However, the post-mortem examination that was done revealed otherwise, and it is even more confirmed based on this video that made rounds on social media. So based on the autopsy that was done on the body of the female and this current video making rounds on social media, the Mexican authorities told reporters on Thursday that the North Carolina hairdresser's death is now being investigated as a homicide. Shanquella Robinson, who ran a successful hair braiding business in Charlotte, passed away last month under mysterious circumstances while in Mexico with 6 friends to celebrate one of their birthday. The group was staying at a luxury 5-bedroom villa priced at $1,600 a night and decided to stay in on their first night in town. On the night that they arrived in Mexico, a personal chef prepared dinner for the travelers, and Shanquella Robinson said that everything was fine when she called her mom to say that they arrived safely and would be back in touch the next day. However, within less than 24 hours, Shanquella Robinson was deceased. At first, the others who were there claimed that Robinson succumbed to alcohol poisoning according to her mom, and this was the first information that they told the mom. However, when the autopsy report was done and provided to the family, it said something very different. Shanquella's neck had been broken and her spinal cord severed, and this was all determined by the local medical examiner. In an email, the State Attorney General's office confirmed that the cause of Shanquella's death is severe spinal cord injury and atlas luxation, also caused by the spinal cord being severely damaged. So the incident that took place inside that luxurious resort villa was actually videotaped, and then the video actually sent to a family friend. However, this was how the video got leaked online, and then this has now triggered a whole entire backlash as well from those friends as well, who came out initially to state that the female passed away from alcohol poisoning, which now turned out to be not true. So as the family commenced an investigation into the matter and the police themselves in Mexico commenced an investigation, many believe that the friends are totally responsible for her losing her life in such a vicious way, as some stood by recording the whole entire ordeal unfolding on her, and no one at no point in time stepped in and tried to help her. So as the investigation commenced, many believe that the friends should be held totally responsible for what happened to Shanquella, and that they should face the full brunt of the law. The weekend getaway for the friends began on Friday, October 28, and the group was set to return to the USA on Monday, October 31, according to hotel records seen by reporters. But while the others made it back home safely to their family, 25-year-old Shanquella Robinson was shipped back to her family at their expense in a body bag, and seasoned the family with an orchestrated plan of a lie which turned out to be the furthest from the truth. Shanquella's friends stated initially that they had found her unconscious on her villa room floor in her living area. However, that was not true. It is further stated that on them seeing her unconscious, they called the hotel staff, who then in turn summoned a doctor to the room. However, when the doctor arrived, it was too late as she could not be revived. Shanquella's family right now is left devastated based on what transpired to her, and considering the fact that she would have just been away just for a weekend trip with some friends, and then this is the news that they got in the end. The family right now is seeking justice for Shanquella, and they are hoping that charges can be laid against those responsible or those that were around her when this happened and did nothing in order to help her. As the investigation commenced and in its early stage, we as well are just hoping that some level of justice can be served, because this was just so uncalled for, and it was just such a sad situation to have happened to such a bright and promising female. When we observe that video, it just goes to show you that the rage that female was in, and how the others just stood by and watched as this unfolded onto that female, who seemed as if she was so out of it as she did not even put up her hands to block any of the blows that she was getting. So as the 25-year-old North Carolina woman Shanquella Robinson death now being reclassified as a homicide, as investigators joined in the probe after the brutal video emerged of her being beaten by friends before they claimed that she passed away of alcohol poisoning, which turned out to be not true based on the autopsy report that was conducted. This is where I believe though I'm going to leave this report though. I hope that you enjoyed watching as we enjoy broadcasting this to you, and I hope that the family of Shanquella right now can get some level of justice based on what was revealed in that autopsy report and how she became a victim of this violent act, and now to see what actually transpired to her and what was initially claimed by the friend that she passed away due to alcohol poisoning. However, the autopsy report deemed otherwise, and now the truth is out, and the family is just hoping that the level of justice and that level of high-level investigation can be done to help those responsible and take them before the courts. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.